Good afternoon, Magister. My name is Antonella Cisneros, and I'm going to be the teacher in this occasion.
Good afternoon, Magister. My name is Sarango, and in this task, I will play the role of a student.
Okay, so now we are going to start with this. Hello, good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. Today we are going to learn how to give advice using should and shouldn't, okay? So,
Okay.
let's watch this picture, please. Look this. How does he feel?
I think he has a headache.
Perfect. Yes, he has a headache. And now, can you see this picture? How does he feel?
He feels tired.
Okay, perfect. And what do you think he is tired?
Maybe because he didn't sleep very well.
Great answer. So today we will learn how to give advice in situation like this, okay? So let's go with the grammar part first, okay? So we use shouldn't to give advice. For example, if someone has a headache, we can say
Um,
you
you
should
should take a
take
medicine.
medicine. Yes, perfect, excellent. Another example. Eh, if a person eats a lot of junk food, what can we say?
You shouldn't eat junk food every day.
Yes, very good. So let's check the structure, okay? We have this one, the positive. Here we use the subject plus the should. This one, should. And the base verb. Yeah, this is for the positive. For example, if I had a headache, what is your advice? You should take medicine, right? So you, the subject, should, that we have to use that, and the base verb, take. Also the complement, that is medicine. Perfect. Okay, let's go with the negative that we have here. That is, for example, for the negative, we use the subject. We can use the contraction or we can use should not. Okay, so should not plus the base verb. Yeah, don't forget that we use the base verb. Okay, so if the problem is I eat junk food every day, what is your advice?
You shouldn't eat junk food every day.
Yes, perfect. You shouldn't eat junk food every day. Perfect. So you have to understand when something, uh, when we have problems, we have to use this to give advice. Yeah, don't forget that. For example, in this case, there we have I have a toothache and you shouldn't eat candies. Yeah.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so do we use should to give advice?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Yes, we do. Correct. So, mm, what is the form of the verb that we have to use? verb in present, verb in past, the base
In
form.
present.
No,
No.
no.
The base form.
Yes, perfect. The base form. Perfect. Yeah. Now, it's time for practice this, okay? You have to circle the correct answer. Yeah, you can do it. Then we are going to check.
I finished, teacher.
Yeah, okay, let me check. Yes, perfect. That is a good advice because we have to drink water every day. Perfect. That is good. Okay, let's go with the second. Perfect. You shouldn't eat too much candy. Yes, because candy causes toothache. So we shouldn't eat too much candy. Perfect. Okay, number three is correct too, because we can't smoke in place, so we shouldn't do that. Perfect. Should. Perfect. Yes. Kind. Yes, we have to be kind with others. So, yes, we should be late for school. Why should? No, that is incorrect. Be late, you don't arrive in time. So you shouldn't be late for school because if the class starts at 7 a.m., you should uh, be at the school at 6:50 a.m. That is good.
Okay. Okay,
That is
teacher.
not good if you are late. For example, you can arrive at this time. No, because you are late. So you shouldn't.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah, please, you can correct that answer. Yes, perfect. As you one have, you has one error in this. This is your grade, eighth. Perfect. But it's good because you are learning, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Now, let's talk with this to encourage your speaking part, okay? So, if Tessa has the flu, what should she do?
Um, she should rest and drink plenty of water. Could be.
Yes, yes, because when we are sick, we have to rest. Very good. Okay. If Tom has headache, what shouldn't he do?
He
Headache.
shouldn't watch TV for many hours.
Yes, perfect. We have to omit the screens. Yes, perfect. Jane has a sore throat. What shouldn't she do?
She shouldn't drink cold drinks.
Yeah, perfect. Yes. And the last one. If Thomas has an earache, remember earache, what shouldn't he do?
He shouldn't use headphones.
Yes, perfect. Also, if we have a sore throat, we can speak aloud, so she shouldn't speak aloud. If Thomas has an earache, he shouldn't use headphones, ears, or maybe listen a loud music. Yeah, perfect. Very good, Cynthia. Let's review and let's go with the part of the feedback. Okay, first, when do we use shout?
To give advice.
Yes, perfect. When we have to give advice, recommendations, yes. Or when something is a good idea, we use should, okay? And the last one, can you give me please one piece of advice? For
You
example,
should
yeah,
you
okay.
should exercise every day.
Yeah,
Exercise.
you do exercise. You should do exercise. Yeah, but perfect. That is perfect. Yeah. Just remember, we use the verb, base verb, okay? Don't use the verb in present, don't use the verb in past. Yeah. And that's all. So we learn how to give advice using should and shouldn't today. And thank you for coming to this class.